Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of seamless door installation and sharing some invaluable sizing tips to ensure a perfect fit every time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or DIY enthusiast, these tips will come in handy for your next project. First things first, let's talk about measuring. It's crucial to get accurate measurements before even thinking about purchasing a door. Grab your measuring tape and take 3 measurements: the width at the top, middle, and bottom of the door frame. This helps account for any irregularities in the frame. Next up, it's time to check for unevenness. Even the slightest tilt in your door frame can cause issues down the line. Grab a level and place it against the frame vertically and horizontally. If it's not level, you may need to make adjustments before proceeding. Now, onto choosing the right size door. Based on your measurements, select a door that's slightly smaller than the widest part of your frame. This allows for adjustments and ensures a snug fit. There you have it. Following these tips will save you time, frustration, and ensure a seamless door installation every time. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.